Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do this card holder. Super quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to use this peaches and cream stripy yarn, and this is cotton and 5mm hook. First step is to do a slip knot. Next, make a 20 foundation chain. To make it sure that the card is fit on your card holder is to check with an actual card. So 20 chains for me is good, and then we're going to insert our hook on the back loop. Turn your work and you're going to notice that there is a back bumps on the foundation chain. So insert your hook on that back bump and do a single crochet. To move on the next row, you only have to do is to chain 1. Next, turn your work and insert your hook on both loops, front and back loops, and then do a single crochet until you finish the entire row. Sorry guys for that angle. I wasn't aware that I literally moved too much on my left side. So just basically insert your hook on the back loop and front loop, and then do a single crochet until you reach the entire row, and just repeat this pattern until you finish 52 rows. I just want to show you an update regarding my card holder. So this is the first pocket. So I will literally continue this until I finish 52 rows. Just continue doing single crochet, and then after that I'm gonna show you how I will assemble them together. After I finish 52 rows, I will do a single crochet on all the sides. And now I will do a single crochet in all the sides. After I finish to do a single crochet on the entire sides of the card holder, I will fold it into half to get the center. And you can use any markers. For me, I have a stitch marker. I'm gonna use it so I won't lose the center later on. And this will be serve as my guide. Next is to fold again and check with your actual card if it fits. Put a stitch marker so you're not gonna lose it later on. Do this also on the other pocket, and then after that you're going to weave all of the sides. And also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more tutorial or any updates, you can also comment and click the bell notification bell. Thank you. Cut an extra yarn and use a yarn needle to weave the both ends or the both sides of the card holder. this is it guys, my finished project, card holder. Very easy and quick project. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye.